Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Hux World, and yes people, we got an update on the Galaxy Watch Active. Now you know we got the Galaxy Watch 2 is about to be released, so I don't know what Samsung is up to, but the update, I must say, is pretty nice. So let's go ahead, let's talk about a couple of things that have dropped as a result of this update to the Galaxy Watch Active. First, you got the app drawer. Now no longer do you have to tap the little button up at the top to get it to scroll around to go all the way through to the next applications. Now you can simply just slide it to the left, slide it to the right, and you're at the applications that you have set, which makes it super convenient. Number two, we got the Bixby UI that is changed and also is coming with some more features. Now you're going to be able to control your smart things with this smartwatch now through Bixby. Also go into your Spotify, play music, you go into your text messages, go into your settings. So you got some features that's been added, and that's just the taste of it, right? Now, for whatever reason, they decided to refresh the good night mode. So it's going to give you exactly what you're looking for in that mode. Now, once the watch cuts off and it cuts back on, the good night mode is going to show up. The refresh of it is not a bad refresh. I like it. Number 4 is going to be theater mode. Now, for whatever reason, they sought to change the icon. I don't know, but you got a new look so far as the theater mode icon is concerned. Also, which is probably big for a lot of people, you get now where your smartwatch will auto detect whether you're in the water or not, and it'll automatically start tracking your swimming, which I thought was pretty cool. That means the smartwatches that Samsung are putting out are getting just that much smarter. Also, last but not least, what you have is a heart rate warning. So if your heart rate is too high or too low, you're going to get a warning to let you know that, listen, you need to take a look at this because it's not where it should be. And I thought that was pretty cool. Now, I don't know if this is going to be tied to the ECG or not, and the ECG won't be active to 2020, so I'm not sure about that feature. But these are some of the things that have dropped in this update for the Galaxy Watch Active. All right, you all, that's a quick review of the update that just dropped. Go ahead, check it out if you got the Galaxy Watch Active. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.